Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Corsair K70 Pro Mini with a split stream wireless USB receiver. And to do this, first you will need to connect the split stream wireless USB receiver to your PC and also connect your keyboard with the cable that is included inside the box. Now, when everything is connected, we need to download Corsair ICUE app on our PC. When it's installed, you should be able to see something like this, like I have right here. Now we're gonna go for split stream wireless USB receiver and select connections. Inside, there's a pair in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on that and then start the process. Now your devices are now paired to a single wireless receiver. Please disconnect the USB cables from each device to use them in the wireless mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.